Let me ask you something. Do you work hard but feel like life is not really moving forward? You study more, you work longer, you try to improve yourself, still nothing changes. Suddenly a quiet thought appears, something is wrong with me. Most people stop there, they blame themselves, but pause for a moment. What if the problem is not you? What if the world changed and nobody told you the rules change with it? Your parents work hard and life improves. So you follow the same advice. But now the results feel weaker. Not because you are doing less, but because you are playing a game that already moved on. To understand this feeling, we need to look at the old system. Not very long ago, hard work actually worked. Not because people were smarter, but because efforts was rewarded. Most jobs were local. Factories, shops, offices. If you work more hours, you produced more. And if you produced more, you earned more. Effort lead directly to results. Why? Because your work could only reach nearby people. In small systems, effort is visible. And visible efforts get rewarded. And that's why these advices made sense. Work hard, stay loyal, be patient. It was not exciting, but it was predictable. And predictable systems reward consistency. Then something changed. Not suddenly, not loudly, quietly. The world moved from physical work to digital systems, from local reach to global reach, and this single shift changed everything. Your time is limited, 24 hours that never change, but reach did. Today, one piece of work can reach thousands, even millions, without repeating the efforts. The effort stays the same, the impact multiplies. Think about this. A teacher in a classroom reaches 30 students, but a recorded lesson reaches millions. The teacher may work harder, but the system works wider. That's the shift. The world did not stop rewarding efforts, it stopped rewarding efforts alone. Systems that scale started winning. This is where many people get trapped. Not because they are lazy, but because they are disciplined. When results slow down, undisciplined people quit. But disciplined people do something else. They push harder. More hours, more efforts, more sacrifice. That worked before. In the new system, it does not. So frustration grows, people blame themselves. I need more discipline, I need more motivation. But the problem is simpler. The system now responds to where the effort is placed, not effort by itself. And that's why smart people feel the most pressure. So here's the key thing to see. The system is not evil, it is not unfair, it is neutral. It only responds to what scales. And once you see that, something changes. You stop blaming yourself for using outdated rules. You don't win instantly. But for the first time, you understand the game you are actually playing. If this video helped you to see things more clearly, I make videos that break down how modern systems actually work. So you can subscribe, not for motivation but for understanding.